That's got about 20 airsoft pellets in it. Man, I wanted to videotape it with my phone. No.
Where's the can?
I don't know, but I wish I would have had a videotaped on my phone.
Oh, I saw the napkin. It went way in there.
Hey, wait, where is the can? Bring it over here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Hey. I want to get on the film.
That's just a piece.
This is all that's left of the... This is the only piece we could find. Now, you still want to call that a toy cannon?
Yes.
Wow. Dude, we got to videotape that with the cell phone too. That's pretty cool.